guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be using CJP powders, and I've only used maybe a couple of the CJP powders before, so this time I'm going to do the whole hand. And I don't know about any of yous, but whenever I'm doing a design set, I like draw it out, sort of. It's a bit weird, but it sort of gives me an idea and I sort of know what nail is having what on it. So yeah, if anyone else does this, let me know and let's see how the video goes. So I'm going to do my clear base just so to have a little bit of support on the tips, so when I'm doing my cutouts the tip won't bend. So now that I have my clear base on, I'm going ahead and I'm using Fantasy, and that is going to be an extended nail bed. Well, sort of, it's going to be like a diagonal, and then I'll go in with my little slicer and cut a slice out of that, and in that space I'll put the smashed diamonds. As usual, my little studio is really warm, and you can see just how quickly the acrylic is curing. It's curing super quick, so I'm going to have to adjust the heat of this little room. It's either hot, too hot, or cold. It's sort of like a north facing this bit, so you don't really get the sunlight, which makes the room that little bit colder as well. But yeah, so I'm having to keep adding little bits to this nail just to get the height on the little wall so I can butt the smashed diamonds up to. But I really like how this CJP flows, how easy it is to work with. I'm really liking it. I would say the Fantasy in CJP would be very like plush cover in Glitter Bells. I am really liking how this is flowing. It'll be interesting to see just how it files, because I love acrylic that files really well, really easily. So I'm excited to see how this files, because any of the other CJP powders that I've used, I've just been doing it on a practice tip, and I really only did the marble. So I've never filed the CJP yet, so I'm looking forward to seeing how it does. So I'm just using my little cutting tool, and I'm just making sort of like a French chevron shape that I can butt my smashed diamonds. I totally took a blank there. So I can butt the smashed diamonds up to that just to create that really nice crisp chevron shape. So I'm going to let you just watch away at me putting the Fantasy on, and I'll come back whenever I'm adding the smashed diamonds. Just before I go in with the smashed diamonds, I'm just taking my hand file and I'm just trying to sharpen up the lines that I've created with my cutting tool. And then I do end up going in with my E-file because this file is actually quite large, so I can't really get right into the corners to make them super sharp. So I thought it would be easier just to do it with my E-file. How many of us have clients that when we take out our E-file tell us that it reminds them of being in the dentist chair and that it actually sounds like a dentist drill? So what I'm going to do on the rest of the nails is put on the smashed diamonds. I'm just going to fill in that space that I cut out from the fantasy. So the smashed diamonds is actually, it's quite a chunky powder. So probably in hindsight I might have been better using one that was a bit finer, but it's absolutely gorgeous, and I think it goes really well with this set. So now that I have all the smashed diamonds in place, I'm just going in with my hand file before I cap it and just remove any of the smashed diamond glitter that's actually going over the fantasy, so that it's just kept really clean and crisp. I'm going ahead and I'm capping it in the clear ice, and then once it's cured I'm going to do all the filing off camera just to keep the length of the video down for you guys, and then the video will come back in with the finished set. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you'd be helping me greatly by hitting that subscribe button. And if you've got any sets of nails or videos that you would like to see me do, why not pop it into the comment section and I'll try my best for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye! So I have to say that once I was filing this product, the CJP acrylics, I have to say they filed like a dream. It actually felt as though you were filing gel. It didn't have that normal sort of acrylic feel to it. It was super easy to file, and yeah, I thought it was great. I'll definitely use it again.